Hello, everyone. Here is another day of ES mini futures trading. We've got the market going on here. Let me pull that up for you. All right, so here we've got the trading window up. Looks like a pretty good opportunity right about here. We've hit this consolidation around here a couple times. I want to draw a box around that. I would love to take a short position right here of what it's currently doing, how it's moving, but I think I'd like to wait a little bit longer because this is some relative strength in the market coming up here. And I don't know if it wants to continue further down. I mean, it seems like it would be pretty easy money if I bet down, but I just want to make extra sure and make sure that there's some strength to the downside. So join me and we will see how the day goes. It is about 247, 248 as of now because the next bar just opened. So hopefully we can get a good opportunity here pretty soon. It may come up and test this box one more time, and I'd be fine with that. But I think if it closes below this low right here, I think I'd be pretty happy taking a short position. So we will have to see. Oh, sorry, and this is 248 on Tuesday, May 26th, 2:48 p.m. So this is not AM or anything. This is not early morning hours. This is pretty late hours in the open market at least. But as you guys have seen in other videos I've made, I usually trade later in the day. But this looks like a better opportunity than any. So, or just fine. So we'll have to see. Okay, I'm getting ready here. That looks like a pretty good move. If it stays down there, I think I would very much like to take it. So I've got my finger hovering right above the sell button. Hopefully it doesn't come right back up and stop us out. We got about 20 seconds left on the bar, so we will have to see how it goes. All right, I think I'm going to take this in just a second. And
Order filled.
we are in. So we'll have to see how this goes. I really hope it doesn't come back up and test this box here because we don't have too big of a stop loss to work with. Again, it's a 4-point stop loss, 17 tick take profit, so basically 4 points in one tick. I do that to cover fees and any costs that might arise while I'm trading. So hopefully we can continue this move down that we started up here and start continuing down. Hopefully we can continue it down to the bottom. And this looks really good right here that this is where my take profit is. So hopefully we can come down to that point throughout the day. And hopefully we can get a small win. Not small win. This is like $800 if I make a win. So it is quite a good win. I'm pretty happy with it if it does hit. So yeah, we'll have to see how it goes. Good move down for sure. If it continues moving down, I'd definitely like to bring my stop loss to break even, but it's going to take a little bit more for me to get there. Yeah, that's moving way up. I did not expect that after those couple bars down, but hopefully we can get some sellers moving back in here on the next bar. I understand the guys that get on their phones and stuff when they're trading. Ooh, I would really like to see some red here. Yeah, if we can turn this bar red, that would be really nice. I'm almost seeing a small head and shoulders with a left head, right shoulder here forming, unless we can break out and go to the downside again. But again, I'm not having a lot of hope for this trade. We keep going red in the last little bit of each candle, which is very nice to see. Hopefully that means there's some rejection to the upside, but if it keeps testing the upside, it could eventually break through and continue higher. So I'm going to have my finger ready to bring up to break even when I get the opportunity. As some of you may know from watching my other videos, I do a couple ticks above break even, and that just allows me to cover some fees and stuff and still make a moderate amount of money, a few bucks, if I am to for it to reverse on me. So we'll see if we can get break even here, but it's looking like it's having trouble going further down. That would be a very nice move if it could stay down there. That would mean we're making lower lows than this right here. Hopefully we can stay down here and claim this area and even continue lower if possible. Okay, I think I'm willing to take break even at this point if it doesn't hit on this bar maybe. It'd be very nice if it could hit my take profit.
Order filled.
Very nice. Okay. So just to look back at that trade, this will obviously be a little bit shorter of a video than you guys have seen on this channel. I took a short right here. I saw it come down from here, kind of trend lower. And unfortunately, I got it towards the bottom of that move, and then it came back up to test this consolidation point that I saw up here. Now this point has existed, let me get this here. It's existed since all the way back here. And then it ranged all the way over here. So I kind of saw that and thought, okay, well, we need to be conscientious of that area. And if you see over here, we did test this area one more time before falling all the way back down. We got our 4-point move for the day. And so if you look up here at the equity, we have $103,463.20. We have made a total. Now this is including last night's win. This is $1,662.80. Obviously down here, if you can see, we made $1,700, but with the and that's just for today, including last night. But with fees and everything, we ended up having $1,662.80. The very nice thing is I now have $103,463.20. The $3,000 that I've made in this account means that I am now more than halfway there to hopefully passing my evaluation. I am getting very close, and I'm very happy for that. I don't know if I'm going to trade again tonight, so maybe keep on the lookout if I do post again later tonight. Because it would be nice to take another trade once the market opens tomorrow, but we'll just have to see how it looks because there might not be any good trades. I'm very happy to have gotten this trade. It is currently 302, and you can also see it kind of wicked me in there, and then the other wick went a little bit down, but now it's coming right back up. So I'm really glad I could target that point to where I was able to get my take profit right at the bottom. Obviously, I would have liked for it to go further just to kind of be a little bit more confirmation that was a good trade. But that doesn't mean that it won't continue going down further later on. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Let me bring it back here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If I don't post again today, I will definitely post again tomorrow afternoon or night. So thank you so much, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.